raw meal. Look at us, Blue. Blue collar has the cutest face. It's got meat all over it. He was sneezing. I guess he breathed some in his nose. He's looking for it. He's like, where is it? Put him back in it. Their very first meal, always dip their face in it, and then they start going on their own. What you sneezing for? Oh my goodness! You're not supposed to breathe it up your nose.
You're supposed to eat it. There's a lot of water.
Yeah. We always put a lot of water in it the first time, so they'll get a taste of it, and then
Blue likes it.
oh. They don't eat too much the first time, but after today, the next couple of times, they'll be ready for it every day. Oh, I'm sorry. That was a little dunk. I dunked you. So I put their little face down in it so they can taste it. Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Where are you going, Tan?
I've never seen a puppy sneeze.
Yeah. Blue's chowing down now. He's already took to it. This is how I start my puppies, weaning them. I just give them some meat, put a little water in it. I'll be giving this litter starting tomorrow, the Puppy Magic that I have on my website. It's a combination of herbs that will help supplement them and start killing worms and everything else. So.
Oh! You keep dunking her.
I dunked her again.
These puppies have it so fancy.
Blue is definitely taken to it.
And white.
Right away. Some of them take a day or two to decide that they're going to eat it. Tan keeps wanting to go back to sleep. Come here, baby. Oh, lazy girl.
I do.
Oh. White's gonna go swimming.
Blue got lost.
Oh. They clean each other up very well. They'll sit around for an hour licking each other.
Blue, white.
White's gonna swim.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Are you guys done already? Tam wants to go back to sleep.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Back up there. Want to try some more?
Someone's collar fell off.
Yellow. I have to get her a new one. It's too small.
Purple's the second.
I think they're about done. They don't do a whole lot on the first day. Oh, Purple's just gonna pass out right there. Food drunk.
Someone peed on the pad.
Where are you going, baby? You can go back in that way.
Green's deciding if he wants to eat more.
These guys just are 3 weeks, and they're already wandering in and out of the den.
They're so adorable.
So they come outside quite early.
Purple's
You gonna try some more, Green?
I think purple's too full to walk.
That's it. She's done.
It's over here, baby.
Oh, okay. Don't play it. Oh my God.
I'm giving it some. Red.
What'd you think of it? Tell us about your first meal. Don't be camera shy. Blue, let me ask. How do you feel about your first meal? Yeah.
I guess he likes it.
Oh, you're gonna talk now. Off camera, you'll talk.
Someone's going. Oh. Okay.
Oh, Green.
It was like, oh, there it is.
There's your door, girl. Purple's just like slopping along. I just want to sleep.
So weird. There you go. Oh, White, you're at this.
White, let me tell you, when I was taking her first set of pictures, she would not cooperate for nothing.
Oh.
She was not going to get her pictures took, and she was letting me know about it.
And she has such a cute face.
Oh. She does what she wants to do, and that's all there is to it.
She's so sassy.
Sassy, yeah. That's a good word for it.
They're just gnawing on my thumb.
I've got to get them in to get some more baby pictures made.
Maybe they need pacifiers.
Yellow. What you doing, girl?
Trying to cut a white.
Alright. We'll put that in the freezer until tomorrow. Let them work on it some more tomorrow. Red's just wants another bite. I'm going to try a little bit more.
It's like having ice cream.
Yeah.
You want more, but you can't.
Nothing like a cold bite of meat on a hot day. Bye, Blue. Are you exiting the scene? Slowly but surely. Oh, Yellow is cleaning white.
Oh, let me see.
Move, let me get it. You pushed her over, girl. Did she taste that good?
Get over there, Mark.
Oh, now she's gonna... They're gonna clean each other up now, lick all the meat off of each other. I think I missed it. She was cleaning white and pushed her over. Here, go over there and clean her again.
For the camera.
Where are you going? Here. Gotta come over here. The door is over here. could feed the other dogs now.
Look at this, so
What you think of your first meal, White? Don't be shy. Tell us all about it. Was it good? Yellow's still stuffing your face. One last bite before you go in. White. She's gonna fall asleep right there. I can't make it. I can't make it to the door. I'm just gonna fall asleep right here.
right next to the door.
Okay, we'll go feed it. Go. That's it. That's their first day of eating. They did very well. They're gonna get in there and get frisky now. Hear them. Where you going, Yellow? Get your mama over there. She's gonna go get some mama now. I got mama on a leash so that she doesn't come over here and gobble up all their food. Mama's gonna take care of her. Are you still sucking on that meat? Alright, that's the vanilla litter, their first raw meal. We still have one male and one female available in this litter. If anybody's interested, you can send an application. If I don't call you, call me. I have a ton of applications and I try to make calls a couple times a week. And if people don't answer, I send texts. And a lot of times I don't even get answers back on those, so you can call and leave a message. If I don't answer, I will get back to you for sure. But I do have one male, one female available in this litter. Oh, I'm gonna get this out. I'm gonna take this out before I let Mama loose because she'll eat it all up. This is our meat wagon now. Right here. I guess I could take it. Now I'm going to take this to the freezer so it's not sitting out. Hey, don't let nobody out. I accidentally left vanilla's open. I'll be right back. Alright, let's take this into the freezer. There's our freezer. Now I gotta find a place to put it. Oh, this was orders week. And at orders week, we are completely stacked to the ceiling. Really are. Thank you guys. Now we need everyone to come pick up their meat. Monday I ship.